one, I would like to tell you my experience when to my aunt house. My aunt house was in Lampung. Usually, my family went to my aunt house every year, but this last 4 years, my family never went to my aunt house. So this year, my family decided went to my aunt house. My family went to my aunt house on the Saturday, but suddenly I have an exam that day, so I need to prepare all of the thing on the morning. At that day, I wake up at 4 a.m. and after that, I start packing up all of the things that I want to bring, like clothes, shoes, sandals, and many more. I finished pack up at 5 a.m. and then at 6 a.m. I went to school. Because I have an exam that day, so I can come back to home early. I arrived on home at 10 a.m. And after that, I took a bath and after I took a bath, I bring my bags to the car. We start the road on the 11 a.m. Because my aunt house was in Lampung, so I need to board a ship. It took us 2 hours of ride from my house to the port. Fortunately, we arrived at 1 p.m. because the ship that I took left at 2 p.m. We arrived on Port Bakauheni at 4 p.m. Because my aunt house was quite far from the port, so we chose the highway to get there quickly. We arrived at my aunt house at 6 p.m. And after arrived at my aunt house, I took a bath and ate the food that my aunt has prepared for us. At the next day, we went to the famous restaurant that served pempek in Lampung. We went to the restaurant on the afternoon. When we arrived, the restaurant was not very crowded because we arrived not at the lunchtime. The restaurant was not only serve pempek, but they also serve tekwan. I tried all of the menu there, but my favorite is their tekwan and pempek. It's very nice. And for me, the place is quite big and not too hot because they have many fans there. And they also have a room that have air conditioner. I like it. At the next day, we went to the beach. We went to the beach at 3 p.m. And it took us maybe around 2 hours from my own house to the beach. We arrived on the beach at 5 p.m. The beach was very crowded, but the beach was pretty nice. Suddenly, I cannot swim because I didn't bring my swimsuit, so I just played sans there. We came back at 6 p.m. At the third day, we went to my grandparents' house. We went to my grandparents' house at 8 a.m. and it took us 2 hours from my own house to my grandparents' house. When we arrived, my grandmother already prepared food for us. There's so many food there, but my favorite is pempek. I eat many pempek there. And after 8 pempek, I walked around and played ping pong with my siblings. We came back at 1 p.m. On the evening, we grilled some beef because that day was Idul Adha. And after that, we went to sleep. At the fourth day, we came back to Depok. We start the road at 8 a.m. Usually, it took us maybe 5 to 6 hours from my own house to Depok. But fortunately, this day has no traffic, so I can go to Depok faster. I arrived on my house at 12 a.m. I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening.